Shattered pieces of memories, all that's left of our past. Tears falling from my eyes.
Hi, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. Today I will show you how to create dancing anime videos using an AI video generator tool. All tutorials on this channel are easy to follow for everyone, no matter who you are or what language you speak. So let's get started to create a dancing anime video. In this tutorial, we will use Unboring AI Video Generator tool. Step 1. Create an Unboring AI account. Click the Sign In button to create an Unboring AI account. You can use your Gmail or Facebook account. You will receive 5 free tokens to try this AI tool. Step 2. Upload your video after logging into your account. Upload your video by clicking the Upload button. In this example, I am using dancing videos from Pixels. Wait for the uploading process to complete. Step 3. Trim your video. Once your video is fully uploaded, you can trim it by dragging the start and end points. Step 4. Select AI video style. Now choose your video style. In this example, I will use the anime video style. A 15-second video will cost 30 tokens, meaning that 1 second costs 2 tokens. The rendering process for this 15-second video will be completed in approximately 29 minutes. Step 5. Render your AI video. Once everything is set, click the Restyle button to start generating your AI video. After the rendering process is complete, click the Download button to save your AI-generated video. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Bye-bye.
Shattered pieces of memories.